Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use mid/side EQ in Ableton Live. Mid/side processing is a powerful technique that separates your audio into two distinct components: the mid signal, which is the mono information, and the side signal, which contains the stereo width. This allows for incredibly precise equalization, letting you sculpt your sound with much greater control over the stereo field. We will explore how to set this up and apply it effectively. To begin, simply add an EQ8 device to any audio track in your Ableton Live project. Once the EQ8 is open, locate and click the M/S button, which stands for mid/side. This immediately transforms the EQ into mid/side mode. You will notice the display now shows two distinct curves, one for the mid signal and one for the side signal, allowing you to apply separate equalization adjustments to each. It's a straightforward setup, taking only a few seconds. The mid channel is where your mono information resides, typically including elements like vocals, kick drums, and bass lines. When you adjust frequencies in this channel, you are directly impacting the central focus of your mix. For instance, a subtle cut around 250 Hz can effectively reduce muddiness, making your core elements sound much clearer and more defined. Conversely, a gentle boost can bring out the presence of your lead instruments or vocals, giving them more impact. Now, let's turn our attention to the side channel. This is where all your stereo width and ambient information lives, including reverbs, delays, and wide-panned instruments. By adjusting the side channel, you can significantly enhance or reduce the stereo spread of your mix. For example, a gentle high-shelf boost above 8,000 Hz can add a beautiful sense of air and openness to your stereo image. However, it is crucial to be careful not to overprocess the side channel to avoid introducing unwanted phase issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.